Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to adjust icon size on your home screen on Motorola Moto G47. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, click on home and lock screen. Click on home screen and click on icon size. If you want to adjust home screen icon size, so if you want to increase from here. If you want to decrease from here. So after adjusting, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.